Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am K. Purushottam from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. Today, I am going to present on the topic Goals of Protection. The goals of protection encompasses objectives related to safeguarding crucial aspects and information from unauthorized access or damage. This ensures the confidential integrity and availability of data and resource, aligning with the organization mission and values. Now let us explore the principles of protection. First, security framework. It involves adopting a comprehensive security framework to address various aspects of protection. Protective measures. Implementation of protective measures to anticipate and prevent security breaches before occurring. A risk-driven approach. Taking a risk-driven approach to security effects based on potential impact and likelihood of the threats. Moving on to the domain of protection. Data protection thus includes protecting sensitive and critical data from unauthorized access and branches. Network security. Network security encapsulates the protection of network infrastructure and communication channels. Physical security. It involves protecting from physical assets, facilitates and access points for unauthorized entry and damage. Next, let us discuss the access matrix. Role-based access control. Assign permissions based on user role and responsibilities to ensure appropriate data access, restricting access to unauthorized personals only. Mandatory access control implements strict access control based on data labels, classifications, and security clearance, enforcing predefined security policies and access restrictions. Session access control gives user more control, enabling them to define access permission on criteria resolutions resources. Now let us see into the security policies. Information classification. Establish a clear classification systems for sensitive and confidential information. Incident response plan. Define a structured plan to handle and respond to security indications and branches efficiently. Acceptabilities use policies, communicating guidelines governing like the proper use of organizational and resources. Moving on to the threat molding. Mitigation strategies identify the potential threats and vulnerabilities to develop efficient mitigation strategies. Security by design. Integrated security conditions during system design and development phase. Data protection focus. Emphasize a data center approach to protect the critical information, assets and risk. Now let us discuss on risk assessment. Identify risk. Analyze and identify the potential risk and vulnerability across the organizational system and process. Evaluating the impact. Assess the potential impact of identified risk on businesses, opportunities and communities. Implement controls. Implement risk management controls to address the minimization identified vulnerabilities. Lastly, let us talk about the threat response. 24/7 availability. Ensure round the clock availability of incident response team and resource. Response phase. Establish clear and structured phase for incident declaration, analysis and recovery. Critical time response. Shift and efficient response to security indicate indicates to minimize the impact and damages. Thank you friends.